Type 8, known as our challengers. So the gifts that this type is bringing into the world for us and for all of us is strength, aliveness, and immediacy, right? If you're gonna do something, I'm not gonna put half of myself into it. I'm putting 150% of myself into it. I'm gonna work hard, I'm gonna play hard, and I'm gonna crash hard. And it's all good. Sometimes with our 8s, it's a fire ready aim.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like, oh, shoot, did it again. When you speak, it tends to be very to the point and direct, like not beating around the bush. Our 8s are ready to take risk in life, right? Because that's how you live on the edge. That's how you know what you're made of.